Alrighty, Dan, here's one of your small block 427s. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. Obviously, it's a Borla stack injection, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the blacked out front end. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Front sump oil pan. The Shelby covers. And we'll go in there and make a run on it, show you how it does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie here, 3,600, 491 foot-pounds torque, peaks torque 553 foot-pounds, peaks horsepower 563. So everything's good. It's got a front end on it, so it's about 1015. So what we'll do now is we'll pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other little tidbit. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, there'll be this, looks like a credit card. It's actually a USB card full of information. It has all your engine build specs in it, a bunch of technical stuff. There's a few tidbits that are in it. Highly recommend plugging this in and looking at it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Have a great day.